Hi, I'm Angela, and I selected Henrietta Swan Leavitt. Here's a photograph of her. She was born in July 4th of 1868 in Lancaster, Massachusetts. Her father was a doctor of divinity, and she was the oldest of 7 children, and she was the few women who studied photographic plates for the fundamental property of stars, and you can see below the few women. She attended the Auburn College for 2 years and then later transferred to women instruction of women, which later was called the Radford College. She graduated in 1892 at the age of 23 with a Harvard Bachelor of Art degree. Her degree included mathematics and astronomy. In 1902, she received a permanent position working with Edward C. Pickering at the observatory. One result of her work on the scale of magnitude was her discovery of 4 nobles and 2,400 variables. And here's a picture of the variables. Her outstanding achievement was discovered in 1912 that in a certain class of variables, in the cipher variables, the period of cycling fluctuations of the brightness, by measuring the apparent magnitude, you can calculate the distance. And so you see this point from this point to this point over 80 days, and over this point over 40,000 luminous. Sadly to say, her discoveries that she found, she received little credit of her work. Pickering Publishing took credit on what she found and put it in his own name, but she was mentioned as a person who prepared the information. That's so sadly. And if she's another person that left this earth unknown. And this is my reference.